I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of wadding or batting together, because quite often at the end of a quilting project you'll end up with some offcuts that if you were to join them or piece them together, they can actually make a substantially bigger piece that might be useful for your next project. And this can be easily done on the sewing machine. The first thing you want to do to prepare your pieces is to make sure that each edge that you are joining is nice and straight. This can be easily achieved with a rotary cutter and a quilting ruler and self-healing mat, or alternatively you can use a pair of scissors, but just make sure you make it as straight as possible. So we start off by placing each piece side by side, pushing them together so that the edges are right next to each other. Pop them under the machine and lower the presser foot. Now you want to be using a zigzag stitch with a wide stitch width, so as wide as your machine will go. So I've got mine set to 5. And what you're aiming for is that when the zigzag goes to the right, that it's catching the right hand side piece, and then when it swings to the other side it's going to land on that piece, so you're straddling the gap. So I'm going to start off by doing a couple of forward stitches and a couple of reverse stitches just to secure, and then I'm going to head down. Every now and again just separate that gap just to make sure you're heading in the right direction. It's hard to see the line when you're actually sewing. Okay, just make sure that the presser foot's not getting caught in the wadding. Like so. Just give it a little pull out of the way. All the way to the end, and then do a couple of reverse stitches. So you can see here the line of zigzag stitches joining my two pieces together. If you had several pieces that you wanted to join together, then you would do one at a time. So if I wanted to then join a piece along the bottom, then I would cut this edge down just to make sure that that's nice and straight, and then join up the other piece along the bottom like so, and then I would zigzag down this line. So you're doing one line at a time.